go. Inspirational point. Just past 7 falls. Not a bad little view here. Cool little bonus after the waterfalls. But about to head on back down, so gonna see the falls again. Here we go. Gonna do it with my wife this time. What's up, babe? See the birds down there?
No, I didn't.
Flying over there?
Oh, yeah, they are. Wow.
That's sick.
Wow, I didn't know there was a lot of it. Like, I've just been that view down there.
How's it going?
That view is a beautiful.
Good, how are you doing?
Good, man. Yeah, I think actually we were walking down there, right?
Yeah, it's not where that little, like you're on camera. That was Sam. Oh, I think we made it.
Now for the
That's your gravesite
easy
again.
part, going down.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Alright, let me, since I made it, I can drink some more water.
Alright.
I mean, your water. I drank my water.
Grave of Helen Hunt Jackson.
Memory of Helen Hunt Jackson and her book. Ramona.
Very cool.
I'm gonna zip line by her grave. I wonder if it's hard to bury people up here back then.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure.
Unless you're ashes.
I love this side view. You know?
I just love like looking at the path and seeing the trees and the sunlight cutting through. And then you're like, oh yeah, there's a mountain. pretty.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
We stopped there already and you can hear the waterfall. Over
Off in the
there,
distance.
yeah, over there you couldn't hear it. Over here is pretty. Wow, and then there's that root, the trees. Whatever.
Oh yeah, that's right. I almost forgot about that.